it's me, Pastor Gretchen, here with your semi-weekly update of what's happening in the church building. And today I wanted to show you they've started putting the steel reinforcement beams into the masonry in the sanctuary. So I'm going to flip my camera around so you can see what I can see here. Here you can see where they've cut out the brick, and up to there where it was, these beams, our ceiling beams, are just sitting on this masonry, and the masonry is looking its age, I would say. And so then what they do is they go over here and they reinforce it with these steel beams like this, and it goes all the way up, and you can see how it brackets up there. And meanwhile, they put this wooden shoring to hold the ceiling up. It's pretty amazing, the process that they're going through here to reinforce our masonry and make sure that our building is stable. Gift to us and to all the future people who are coming into our building to know that it is safe and reinforced, and that should, God forbid, a horrible earthquake happen, that our building will be sustained and safe. So I'm in the basement, and this is the new framed-in door that goes into this new room. Those were where the stairs were, but now this is gonna be its own space, and I'm so excited that it has its own shape. This little guy just wants to go outside and play.